What's up, all you tri-fi lovers? Look at this 56. Looks like in the burnt orange too. Look how great color that is. And you're not even gonna believe what's under this bad boy. This thing got a 620 cubic inch motor. Look at that. Wow. This thing is gorgeous. You could have this for $90,000. Just $90,000 for a 56 210. That's right. You don't even get a Belair. You get a 210 with the monstrous motor you can get, with the nicest interior you can get. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. You want to see more tri-fis? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow us on the next Florida Car Show.